We got the Ethereum pillow in the back because we are talking about a play that is on the ERC20 network. Guys, we're talking about Jyai, Jyai, the pink turtle, based after Matt Fury comic book plays. And if you guys have been following this crypto cycle for a while, you know Matt Fury plays are absolutely lethal. They have their cycles, they have their waves where they come out hot, they come out swinging, and there's only some that have stood the test of time, and one of those plays is actually Jyai. Guys, I'm ultra bullish on this project. It is one that we called here at $20,000 market cap. I mean, right here in this room, we called that project at $20,000 market cap. We saw it run up to 20 million. Okay, this was the first ever play on my channel that did over a 1000x, and I think in specific it did a 1200x almost, which is ridiculous, guys. But we are going to call a bunch more like that, and you are in the right place. So make sure you guys subscribe, you hit the bell notification, and you like this video if you are into crypto. And also, guys, subscribing does help me out a bit, and it helps you because when I get to 20K, we are giving away 2,000 USD. With that being said, let's get right into today's video, family. Now, off the bat here, what we want to focus on first of all is the overall crypto market. You can see here sitting at 3.11 trillion, Bitcoin at 89,000. It's actually crazy because before we even started recording this video, when I was looking at Bitcoin last, it was literally at $91,000. Now in the last hour is down 1.65%. Ethereum was above 3,100. And as soon as I'm like starting to press record, as soon as I'm getting ready, getting all my information ready, it dips 2.24%. This is the power of crypto, guys. This is how fast crypto moves. This is the unpredictability of crypto. But that's also why a lot of you guys are here, because in the same way that it moves down 2% or 3% in an hour, guys, it can move up 10% in an hour, it can move up 20% in an hour. And obviously right now the levels that we are sitting at is more so tailored towards fear and extreme fear territory, right? One thing you guys have heard over and over again, buying in the fear and selling in the greed is what always plays out. However, whenever we get into that fear and extreme fear territory, nobody wants to buy because there's no buyer's confirmation. There's no hand holding. There's no feel good moment when you're buying in the fear, guys. And that's something that you need to, first of all, work yourself out of. Okay, you need to change your mentality to see red candlesticks as bad, and you need to change your mentality as just seeing green candlesticks as good, because realistically, your entry into these markets are what matter the most. And if you guys are looking for solid entries, make sure you join the Memecoin Mastery so you guys know exactly what projects we get in and out of. And one of those plays that we are very bullish on in the private Discord is Jyai, Jyai the Turtle, which is currently trading at 402885 with a market cap of 1.9 million. Volume is up in the last 24 hours, up 1.49%. I'm pretty sure that is a little bit of sell pressure, guys. In the last month, down about 27%. In the yearly, well, I would say from the peak, right? The peak that we reached, which I want to say was around 19 or 20 million. This was in May, but then we did make another rally up in August. Ever since August, around 19, $18 million market cap, guys, we are back down to 2 million. Just getting back to 20 million market cap is literally a 10x away. Not too shabby, if you were to ask me. And honestly, guys, one of the biggest things I feel like Jyai or Jyai has done right is their plethora of exchange listings. I'm certain that this project is listed on over 40 exchanges, guys, and that is part of the reason as to why we saw that massive growth that we did see in the beginning of the year. We saw this thing run from, I mean, $4.4 million. We saw it run to 20 million. There was a guy in my private Discord that made over $20,000 just with Jyai, and this $20,000, guys, may not be a lot for some of you people, but this guy literally made the average yearly salary in his country. He made that in a month just from Jyai. Now, if you guys want to know when plays like that drop, guys, listen, you want to be a part of the Memecoin Mastery. This is my private Discord community where you get access to all of my buy and sell calls. You get access to everything in between. You get access to a full course, whether you're an expert or you're a beginner. Very structured around how to find meme coins, how to navigate the trenches, a little bit of technical analysis, literally everything you need shared from myself as well as my partner, guys, and you will honestly be able to make a killing with it. Obviously, past profits don't guarantee future results, but we have had people who've turned $100 accounts into 10K. Personally, we started an account to track the trades, and we turned a $200 account into over 20K. We've had people make 25K in 2 months, turn literally $34 into 3,000, which is crazy, but that's just a possibility of it. Join if you want to, guys. That's all I could really say. Um, Jerry, again, I believe this is a fairly good level that it's sitting at right now. They did revamp the website just recently. Welcome to Jerry, the turtle, artistic style math theory creature, character. Sorry, over 6,600 long-term holders, over 1 million community followers. Wow, that's actually massive. I didn't even know that was actually factual. Over 50 plus exchanges and 100% community driven. It's audited. CA is renounced. Liquidity is locked forever, and community feedback is implemented frequently. And let me just tell you how frequent, guys. The first time I ever heard about this project, their liquidity was still not locked yet. Okay. And because of the community, because of speaking to a lot of influencers, a lot of KOLs, they decided the best course of action was to lock liquidity. They took the feedback from the holders, from KOLs, and they implemented that. And that is what you want to see from a project who, they see their shortcomings, they accept that constructive criticism, and then they do something about it. So shout out to the team. They will always have my support. And guys, this is such a strong support area in my opinion. The last time we were here literally had a massive move, about 1,100%, which is 11x gain. Okay, now just getting back from here where we are right now back to previous all-time highs, which is 21.3 million. It's about a 12x return. That's insane, guys. That's absolutely wicked. Okay, Polymarket also shows a 93% chance of a 25 basis points rate cut in December. Only 5 days left before the FOMC meeting, or sorry, the decision. A cut would mark a real shift towards softer policy and could boost liquidity across markets. Now, again, majority of the people, majority of the crypto community, literally everyone already has baked in a 25 basis points rate cut into the market. So your favorite cryptos, it's already baked in, guys. When we see a 25 basis points rate cut on December 10th, don't expect the price to have too much of a effect. It definitely will not go up, but it might go down a little bit, especially if it's 25 points. If it's 50 basis points, it is probably going to fly a little bit, right? Because no one is expecting 50 basis points. However, the entire market is expecting 25, and buy the rumor, sell the news type of event, right? Now, when it comes to Jerry, one thing I will say is you want to make sure you are following them on X, guys. These guys are a project that you want to keep tabs on because you never know what exchange they might be listed on next. It's JYAI, the one project that's not just hype, but built for the next run. Not Bitcoin, not ADA, not ETH, not BNB, not Sol, not Doge, not XRP, not TON. It's JYAI. Market update: price is sitting at 4 zeros 2921 with a $2 million market cap and solid liquidity at 214,000, which is locked. 6 hour looks strong with an 8.39% move, showing clear upward pressure despite a flat 24 hours. Buys are outpacing the sells, 53 buys versus 40 sells, and more buyers stepping in. Buy volume is almost neck and neck with sell volume, showing active interest and steady demand. Momentum is building quietly. This turtle setting up for its next move. It is a play that I'm fairly bullish on, guys, which is why I cover it so often. And if you guys like this content, subscribe, hit the button, like this video, and remember, I am not a financial advisor. Please keep that in mind, guys. If you did enjoy and you guys are looking for more crypto related content, this is the place to be. Smash the like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care and peace out, y'all.